some leeks, leaves, and some shallots, and red chili. Well, it's like onions, but it's red onions. And I have my fish seasoning and some veggie seasoning. I have my garlic, ginger. Well, I have, there you go. There's a small amount of garlic, and I'll be using a garlic and ginger paste too. Okay, right then. So these are all the ingredients. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just putting the onions in this saucepan. Okay, just putting these leaves in there. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the onions to cook till nearly brown. Okay, so now the onions have gone brown, so I'm now going to be putting my, just trying to turn my temperature down. Okay, so now the onions have gone nearly brown, so I'm going to be adding my tomato puree. And straight on, I'm going to be adding my chili. I'm using 4 of them because we like quite spicy with fish. If you have it not that much spicy, it's a bit. And I'm putting my ginger in there too. Now the reason why I always put my chili and my garlics and stuff in there, because as you either blend them or something like that, they're quite strong and they get my kids to cook and stuff. So I always leave it into my stew for it to cook a little bit, then I can blend them. So now what I'm adding here is my BQ. I'm adding my fish just a half a fish sauce, and the vegetable one I'm adding all of it. And I'm now adding my seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning. Just left a little bit on the side. Okay, and I'm now adding my garlic and ginger puree. I'm adding that in there. Okay, I'm now going to be taking the chili out, because I always struggle on these things. God. Okay, I thought today just to use this to blend it today, not to use the blender. So I'm just going to now add, this is the chili and the ginger. Okay, so just add that in there. Sorry, mine. Okay, I've left it to cook for a bit. So now I'm going to be adding my fresh, well, my tinned tomatoes. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this to cook for just a small amount, and then move on to the fish. Okay, so I've left it to cook for a bit, and it's on low heat. So I'm now going to be adding the fish. So just one at a time. Okay, this is the reason why I left half the fish seasoning and a bit of the all-purpose seasoning. So I'm now just breaking it into little pieces and mix it, and I'm going to put that just on top, just to let that slowly cook. So now also I'm be adding salt to the taste how you would like it. So this is my salt on top too, and I'm just gonna leave this to cook for a bit. Sorry, that's my princess again, as every time making a video she's always coming into the kitchen. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this to cook for a bit, and then after that is done, then I will be adding the onion and the shallots. So these are the shallots, not that much, I only use one, and the red onions. So I'm just gonna leave it to cook for a bit. I have left it cooking for a while, as you can see, the seasoning, everything. So I've put everything in there. So I'm now going to be adding my spring rolls and spring roll. You hear me? Your mom is getting hungry. And the spring onion and the shallots and that spring roll. Silly me. Haven't eaten all day. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that. As the reason why I always put onions and okay, so it's all done, and I have put all of it in, and you can see it's all perfectly fine cooking, and I'm just going to leave it, and just going to now wait for about 5 minutes, and then serve it to the kids. So I'm just going to leave it now for about 5 minutes or something, and then serve it with, as you can see on the side here, I'm making banku, and I'm not done. That will be a different video for it, so watch out for that video. Okay, it's all done, and I am going to be serving it with banku that I've made earlier on. So just going to take it out now. You can see all the meat is intact, so I'm just going to